Hi friends, today we are going to see the other three types of pronouns. They are relative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns and indefinite pronouns. Let us see the definitions, types and examples. What are relative pronouns? They are used in two sentences that have the same noun or pronoun. They are used to form the beginning of a relative class. They are used to introduce the adjective class. Let us see what are relative pronouns. They are who, which refers to subject, whom refers to object, whose refers to possession, which refers to things, that refers to things and people with definite class. The examples are the lady who sang is my sister. The person to whom I spoke is my teacher. Ravi Verma is a painter whose paintings are famous. The globe is an object which is used to show places. I don't like that table in the hall. Next type of pronoun is reciprocal pronoun. It is used when the action is involved between two or more persons. It is used to simplify the sentences and to express a mutual action. There are two types of reciprocal pronouns which are each other and one another. Look at this example, each other. That is an action between two people. Sudha helped Radha, Radha helped Sudha. You can use it in a simplified manner by using reciprocal pronoun. Sudha and Radha helped each other. For an action where more than two people do, you use one another. For example, we all told one another about the trip. Now we'll see the possessive forms of reciprocal pronoun. They helped to clean each other's house. They played in one another's house. Next type of pronoun, what we are going to see is indefinite pronouns. That does not refer to a particular person, place or a thing. The antecedent is not clearly stated. Must agree with the verbs. You have singular, plural and certain indefinite pronouns which are used in singular form as well as in the plural form. Now singular form indefinite pronouns are another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, somebody, someone, something. Plural indefinite pronouns are both, few, many, others, several. Singular and plural indefinite pronouns are all, any, most, none, some. That is, you can use these pronouns in the singular form as well as in the plural form. Now let us see one example for each type. The players helped one another. Does anybody want tea? Is there anyone in the room? I don't know anything about politics. Each has his own goal. Either Suresh nor Ramesh wrote well. Everybody danced well. Everyone spoke fluently. Everything went on well. Much has happened since she left. Neither of the two boys is smart. Nobody is playing in the ground. No one likes to be lazy. He told nothing about the murder. Can one walk here? Somebody is in the room. Someone is sitting in the corridor. I want something to eat. Both of them are sisters. Few attended the wedding. Many left the hall. Several participants left the meeting. Some were dancing and others were watching them. All of you should prepare well for the exam. I want any of you to speak. Most of them went home. None of you performed well in the interview. Some of them are playing cricket. Now you have seen examples for all these three types of pronouns. You can write your own examples and practice these pronouns. Thank you. Stay connected for the other types of grammar exercises. Thank you.